and close this. Mudra is done, closing of the moon side is done, cold, and heat is created. Here in case of asthma also, plus these points, acupressure you may be knowing, asthma, cold, etc. 8 points are there. When you press them for 27 times, even a very severe attack of asthma will be over. No problem will be there. Cough. Heart, we are coming to that. In case of heart, lie down in Savasana. Savasana means as if you are dead. No pressure from any part of the body, no pinching from any part of the body. Lie down on the ground as if you are dead. All joints, all parts of our body totally loose. Keep your head in the north and keep the pyramid on the heart. And if you are healing, you can keep your hands on the pyramid also. We sometimes are in the camp for heart trouble patients, and we give this treatment plus healing, etc., and teach them how to do it. It works very well. Then cholesterol also can be controlled. And if the trouble is there with your blood circulation, that also can be cured. If you have got the trouble with your abdomen, then solar plexus, keep the pyramid there. Center should be there above the hole. And you can give other pyramids on aside if the pain is there on other sides. But the middle pass must be covered. In case of kidney trouble, place the pyramid on the kidney. High blood pressure or low blood pressure, same like heart trouble. Then brain trouble. Many people have brain trouble. They can't think properly. They can't concentrate. They have several other troubles also. Some people have got pain in the head, headache is there, and some have even tumor. Pyramid work very well. Keep one here, let the man lie down, tie it with a thin cloth piece, bandage, all around. And keep another pyramid here, on the forehead.
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure. As I told you about heart trouble, lie down, totally relaxed, keeping your head on the north side, keep the pyramid on the heart. One corner should be there towards left, north. All the three corners will take their own care. And put the hand there and request blood pressure should come down and remain at normal. If it is high, don't say come down. Or if it is down, don't say it should go high. It should be normal. So blood pressure should become normal forever, immediately. For mental peace, you can sit under a pyramid. Many people keep the pyramid on the head. They have a larger pyramid. All type of pyramids are available in the market. Yes, larger. They will prepare for you if you order. I'll give the address. Perfect Magnets, Ishwar Market, near Juma Masjid. Ground floor, go in the corner. Last shop. And give the name of Nitin Bhai. He is not there. He is the owner of the shop. He knows me very well. Tell him that, tell the man that Nitin Bhai is known to me, Dr. R.C. Shah, and he has sent us for this purpose. And he has told us that you will be preparing for it. So tell Nitin Bhai, I want one piece like this. Then if you have a refrigerator, you can keep one pyramid on the refrigerator. All the items kept in the refrigerator will remain fresh for a number of days. No problem. Or if you want to keep vegetables fresh for a number of days, have a basket, keep the vegetables inside, cover them with the pyramid totally, and you will find that they remain fresh for a number of days. You will cook food. Some people eat the food which is prepared today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, after putting it in oven. Then also you can use the pyramid. Keep the food items under pyramid and they will remain fresh and fine for a long time. Dal or vegetables or rice or chapati, etc. And you can make use of pyramids for many other purposes. Now with pyramid you can prepare water. The word used in Sanskrit language is Amrut. And they say it is more powerful than the Ganges water. There is no word substituted for Amrut in English language. They say holy water or pure water. But Amrut is not there in their language. They substitute the words here and there. Now this Amrut or holy water can be prepared by you, and when you drink that water, many of our diseases are cured. So many diseases are having a system. Blood pressure is a disease of system. Your heart is not functioning properly. And all the systems are affected in the body. Or diabetes. All the systems are affected in the body. It is as a result of something else. Cause may be different. You may not know about it. And most of the causes for every disease lie in the thinking and the brain. My experience for all these years, 46 years, that all diseases are created by mental troubles. People think wrongly, negatively, and they think of results which may not be in existence, and they suffer. Now you can prepare pyramid out of plastic, or acrylic, or even earth, or even wood, or even cardboard, or fiber. But don't use metal. Never use any metal for preparing a pyramid. Some people prepare the pyramids out of copper, but I don't advise it. So copper is very powerful metal. It acquires powers very fast, and you may be having more powers than you need. And when you are overburdened with the powers, you will start suffering from something different. The size of a pyramid should be, base should be 4.71, inside height should be 3 inches. Inside height means from center to the bottom. That should be 3 inches, and the base should be 4.71. This base should be 4.71, and the side should be 448. 3 inches height from inside, side height 4.48 inches, and base should be 4.71 inches. This is the base. And you can multiply that way. Suppose you want to prepare for 12 inches, then it will be 4 times 1, that what I have given you the measurement. Or you want to prepare it for 4 feet, 3 or 4 feet. You want to sit down under the pyramid and meditate. But then there are some holes must be there, because you require breathing. If you cover yourself totally with the pyramid up to the earth, then breathing trouble should not be there. So better to keep the pyramid at least 3 inches above the level of earth. So that breathing, if you prepare the holes, then the cosmic energy created by the atmosphere will go away. And you will not get total advantage of all the energy created inside the pyramid. So in order to get total advantage, sit down, keep a level of 3 inches above yourself, and keep the pyramid on your head in such a way that you don't touch it at all. If you can give measurement to some carpenter or somebody who can prepare it for, or this perfect magnet, they will be able to do it. They have the dies, how to prepare them. But one can prepare himself also, with cardboard, etc. Now when you prepare with cardboard, generally keep the color white paper. Paste the white paper totally blank, no lining, nothing. But if you are having any color hunger, so people suffering from depression, generally they have got color hunger for red color. When the red color is given to them, they are able to get cured very fast. or people suffering from certain type of other diseases, they have a certain color hunger. If you can find out that, then you can prepare the paper, paste the paper of that color on the pyramid, outside and inside. Otherwise, keep it totally white paper like this. So you may wonder how water can be prepared.